sadto ng imbanwa sang anyo 1784 ang baroto sa lutak ng imbarutak viejo. Barotak viejo ang banwa ko, bugal ko, ang buloy ang
Barotac Viejo is a municipality located in the northern part of Iloilo province. The word Viejo is a Spanish word which means old. Because of this, the name Barotac Viejo means Old Barotac. According to the local stories, the name Barotac may have come from the word Baroto, which means a native boat, while some stories also connect it to the muddy land near the coast. This shows the strong connection of the town to its river, sea, and early settlers. Barotac Viejo was established during the Spanish period and became one of the recognized municipalities in Iloilo. Over many years, the town developed through farming, fishing, and trade. One of the most notable figures from Barotac Viejo is Thomas Confessor, a prominent leader during World War II. He served as governor of Iloilo and led guerrilla forces against Japanese corruption. Because of his bravery and leadership, he is considered a local hero. Other local leaders and officials of the town also contributed to its development, especially in governance, education, and other community building.
Barotac Viejo ang banwa ko, bugal ko, ang barotac noon nagapuyo nga malino, ang barotac noon nagapuyo nga malipayo, kay ang barotac noon mainapyano ang Diyos mo.
Barotac Viejo is located in the northern part of Iloilo province and faces the Guimaras Strait and Visayan Sea. It is bounded by the San Rafael in the north, Banate in the west, Ahoy in the east, and the sea in the south. The municipality has a land area about 185 square meters and it is made up of several barangays. The place is known for its mountains, hills, rivers, and coastal areas. Because of its geography, many people depend on agriculture and fishing as their own main source of livelihood. Rice farming is one of the major economic activities in the town, together with fishing and small businesses. The culture of Barotac Viejo reflects the rich tradition of Ilonggo people. The people mainly speak Hiligaynon and are known for being kind, respectful, and hospitable. The municipality celebrates local festas and religious festivals that brings the community together. These celebrations often include music, dance, and local food and traditional activities. The town is also known for its local dishes, customs, and traditions that have been passed down from generation to generation. Each culture shows the unity, faith, and strong value of the people living in the community.
Magapadayon sa mga barotac noon, kabayang bendisyon, magapadayon din sa ato. Barotac Viejo ang banwa ko, bugal ko, may miswagong bisan sa bagyo nagasulong, nagatid ang sang karuswagan sang tanan, kay ang mga barotac noon may kooperasyon. Barotac Viejo ang banwa ko, bugal ko, ang mga dunang manggan amon ginatipikan. Ang bukid kaumahan subagag kadagatan, diri nalikan ang amon palangabuhian. Dayawon ang Diyos nga may nagbugay sang banwa sa aton, kabayang bendisyon yara sa aton, magapadayon sa mga barutak nun, kabayang bendisyon magapadayon din sa aton. Barutak viehong banwa ko bugal ko, ang barutak nun nagapuyo nga manino, ang barutak nun nagapuyo nga malipayo, kay ang barutak nun mahinayanon ng Diyos mo. Dayawon ang Diyos ng viehong banwa ko bugal ko, ang barutak nun nagapuyo nga manino, ang barutak nun nagapuyo nga malipayo, kay ang barutak nun mahinayanon ng Diyos mo. Dayawon ang Diyos ng mahigugmaon, nga nagbugay sa banwa sa aton, kabayang bendisyon yara sa aton, magapadayon sa mga barutak nun, kabayang bendisyon magapadayon din sa aton, kabayang bendisyon